In this video, I would like to talk about my experience in home loan processing from SBI. So, initially what I did was I have purchased a home in my location, and I went to after giving an advance to after giving the advance to that particular concerned party, and I thought of to go to a loan. So initially I searched for so many banks starting from HDFC, I searched for Axis, I searched for SBI and Bank of India, and so many banks I searched. So some banks are offering less interest rates, some banks are offering more interest rates, some banks are flexible in documentation. So there are a couple of mixtures and all the stuff. So finally, after all the scrutiny, I decided to go with the SBI because of its so many advantages compared with other banks. So whenever the rate of interest is reduced, it is applicable to all. So hence I prefer to go to SBI directly, because here the one important thing that you get is Pradhan Mantri Vikas Yojana, where there is a chance up to get 2.6 lakhs maximum, I think that is up to 2.6 lakh subsidy you may get here also. So for this reason I procured a home loan on my name as well as my wife name. So the important documentation that I have given is, so this is very important. So if you give this documentation, maybe according to my experience, the loan may process very quickly. So you have to give your form 16 for last 3 years. It is better if you give it for last 3 years, and in these 3 years you should be, your income should be consistent. So like in my case, what happened, I have worked for 1 year, and then I went to foreign, and then I got a fellowship. So there's so many things are there. So people are getting so many doubts like why this is happened and all the stuff. So if your income is consistent, then it is absolutely fine. If it is not consistent, you address a specific letter to the manager and giving all the explanations. So in this date, why it is less or why it is more, and all these things. And last 6 months payslip they asked for me, so I given all my 6 months payslips. After that they asked my Aadhaar card and my company offer letter also they asked, as well as previous company, in case if you have given previous company offer letter also they have asked. Previous company offer letter also they have asked me, and besides that they have asked me the last 6 months bank statement. So maybe this may be a cross check for them to check that. They ask me the bank statement also. So after all giving that, so what, and now coming to the housing documents, they ask me the agreement. First the agreement between yours and the other party, then sale deed, the previous registration copies, and house plan approval, and municipality bills, electricity bill. So municipality bill includes like water, okay, water and a tax, residential tax, and your local property tax, electricity bills. So the important thing is, if you have all these documentation along with your 3 photographs, so as far as my concern, these are the documentation that I have given, and the loan has processed very quickly. So it depends upon the manager. Sometimes they may take 3 days, sometimes they may take 1 week. So within that time, and they will go for loan. So what actually happens once you give all these documents is, once you all give So you try to give all these document as a complete set to the manager, so there won't be any hassles to him. So a he will appoint a engineer. He will appoint an engineer. This engineer will visit your site, and even the manager also will come to your site. He will see the home and he will take the photographs. Along with that, the engineer also visit the site and he will give the estimation. After that, all these estimation documents and all this stuff will go to lawyer. So this lawyer will go for EC, incumbency certificate. So this he will apply EC, and in this EC he will check last at least 30 or 29 year how the property has gone from which hand to which hand, and he will check all the legalities and he will give the clearance to the team. Once this clearance gets, this manager will take approval from the regional bank managers or maybe head offices, and then he will disburse the loan at the registration date. So like it was very pleasant for me in my case. So it was I was happy with the SBI service. But some other banks are there where they have told me that they will offer much lesser rate of interest. And also there are some people who are so-called mediators who are told me that we will I mean on behalf of you will apply loan and all the stuff. So I would suggest you, in case if you have time, it is better you go personally and visit the branch, and with this documentation if you visit, so in the one go itself your things all mostly will be in a proper shape, and the bank manager will happy and he will process your loan and immediately. So this is my experience. Okay.